Hello, I will talk briefly about the stars. The closest star to Earth is our Sun, that is uh, the that is 150 million kilometers from Earth, and it takes 8 minutes to the sun's rays to reach the earth. So generally you can say that any celestial body that emits light and heat as a result of nuclear fusion is defined as a star, whereas any celestial body that rotates around the star is called a planet. So our Earth is a planet that rotates around the sun, that is a star. And the Earth completes one orbit around the sun at 365 days. The next closest star to Earth, other than our Sun, is the star Proxima Centauri, that is 4 light years from Earth. That is to say, the light emitted from the star Proxima Centauri travels 4 years to reach the Earth. So if theoretically there was a wedding on the star Proxima Centauri and the wedding was broadcasted live to Earth, so if you get the pictures from the wedding now at April 2023, it actually means that the wedding on the star Proxima Centauri took place at April 2019, because it took to the pictures to arrive to Earth 4 years from the star Proxima Centauri. So you generally, that is the reason that you generally can say that when you look at the stars, you actually are looking into the past. Okay? So we can define a star as a spherical celestial body consists of a matter in a gas and plasma aggregation, and the star emits light and heat as a result of nuclear fusion, and as I already said, and the total stars in the visible universe is about 7 times 10 to the power 22. Other estimation is 10 to the power of 24. Okay, so the stars in the visible universe are organized in structures of galaxies, and the galaxies themselves are organized in structures of galaxy clusters. And the galaxy clusters in turn are organized in structures that called superclusters. And the superclusters themselves are organized in structures that called great walls. And the great walls are the largest structure known in the visible universe. So I will start with the galaxy. What is a galaxy? A galaxy is a collection of many stars held together as one unit by the force of gravity, and all the stars in a galaxy revolve around the center of the galaxy. Okay, an example of a galaxy is in the Milky Way. Actually, the solar system, our solar system, is located in the Milky Way, as well as the Earth is located in the solar system that located in the Milky Way. So the number of stars in the Milky Way galaxy is about 200 billion stars. Other estimation is that the total stars that are in the Milky Way galaxy is about 10 to the power of is about 400 billion stars. Okay. Then, as I have already said, a collection of many galaxies held together by the force of gravity and moves as one unit in the universe is called a galaxy cluster. And you can have thousands of galaxies in a galaxy cluster. Between hundreds to thousands of galaxies you have in galaxy cluster. And then a bigger structure than a galaxy cluster is actually a collection of galaxy clusters, a collection of many galaxy clusters held together as one unit by the force of gravity and moves in the universe as one unit is called a supercluster. And also a supercluster can contain thousands of galaxy clusters, and the size of supercluster could be about 100 million light years long to up to 400 billion light years long. Okay, then a collection of many super clusters held together as one unit by the force of gravity and moves in the universe as one unit is called Great Wall. Okay, and the Great Wall is the largest structure known in the visible universe that moves in the galaxy as one unit. Okay, so an example of Great Wall is huge LGQ that is about 1 billion light years far away from the Earth, and the size of the huge LGQ is about 1.37 billion light years long. Okay, so we can summarize the structure of the galaxies that the stars in the universe are organized in structure of galaxies, and the galaxies themselves are organized in the galaxy clusters, and the galaxy clusters are organized in superclusters, and the largest known structure in the universe is many superclusters held together as one unit that is called Great Wall. Okay, so that is the structure of the stars in the visible universe. Okay, thank you very much.